Back on October 13th of 2022, U.S. CPI came in above expectations at 8.2%. Now, at the same time, U.S. 10-year Treasury yields were making cycle highs of 4.25%. Now, since that time, we've seen 3 consecutive CPI numbers that have come in lower than expectations, trending down to a current year-over-year level of 6.5%. Additionally, the 2 sectors that have the highest remaining inflation are food and energy, which happen to be the least interest rate sensitive of the series. This development has led many analysts to believe that the Fed's rate hikes are working and that soon they will move to neutral and signal a halt in hikes. But there remains an outlier in the current condition. The labor market remains at tight levels, as evidenced by the declining jobless claims and an unemployment rate that's been persistently low, measuring 3.5% at the last read on January 6th. In addition, 10-year yields appear to believe that it's possible for the Fed to control inflation while the labor market remains tight, as yields have collapsed from 4.25% to a current level of 3.45% in 3 months' time. Now, the CME FedWatch tool suggests that the probabilities favor consecutive 25 basis point hikes at the next 2 meetings, but then it begins to price in rate eases by the end of 2023. Of course, the next read on NFP on February 3rd or the CPI on February 14th could rapidly change expectations. Now, if a trader believes that 10-year yields could continue lower from here, they could express that by selling the February micro 10-year Treasury yield futures contract at 3.47 and targeting a move to the psychological level of 3.00. A stop for this trade could be placed above at 3.70. Now, this trade could make $470 if the target is reached and risks $230 if you're stopped out of your level. Now, if a trader believes that 10-year yields could bounce from here, they could buy the February micro 10-year Treasury yield futures contract at 3.47 and target a move to the December highs of 3.88. A stop for this trade could be placed below at 3.20. This trade could make $410 if your target is reached and risks $270 if you're stopped out at your level.